Hi, and welcome back to another week of Preschool Adventures with Miss Jill. Just a little heads up about what's coming up on the channel this week so you can be prepared for what we'll be doing. As always, we'll start Monday with Monday morning circle time, and that will be with the letter J this week. And we are going to tell some jokes, and we're going to learn the sign language for J, write the letter J, as well as writing the number 8. We are also going to be doing some patterning with clips that we're using as turkey feathers. We're going to count the feathers, pattern them, and have the kids continue the pattern. We are going to move on to Tuesday, where we're going to finish talking about what we started talking about last week. As I said before, normally right now, parent-teacher conferences should be going on, and we have been busy assessing the kids, observing the kids, taking notes, and just anxious to share all that with you and show you your child's progress. Well, can't do that this year. So what I want to do with you over the course of these couple of weeks is share with you the different things that we do assess, that we do observe, and the reason why we do, and what it helps your child learn and think and function within the future. So we'll finish that off tomorrow. On Wednesday, we're going to go back to Europe for our last day in Europe. This time, though, we're going to look at it in the context of the first Thanksgiving. We're going to talk about the group of Europeans that left Europe, that went across the ocean, that came to North America, and the Native Americans that they met here, and some other details about that very first Thanksgiving and the traditions that we have taken from that. Thursday, we're going to create turkeys, and we're going to work on protecting turkeys. This is a rough time of year to be a turkey, so we're going to do what we can to help them stay safe from our dinner tables on Thanksgiving Day this year. Speaking of dinner tables, on Friday, we're going to do just a couple of minor cooking things together that the kids can do at home, that you can do with your child, that lead to Thanksgiving and are kind of just fun ways to get them involved in the Thanksgiving Day dinner preparations. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can get notifications when new videos pop up, and you can be alerted to anything that's going on the channel. Have a great week, and I will see your kids tomorrow morning for circle time.